Red-throated pipit is my favorite among all the pipits because of its reddish plumage and agile nature. In my Varthur video I mentioned previously, we get this bird in Bangalore every year. Last year when I spotted it, I was using my old Sony camera. Even after capturing the videos or pictures, I was not satisfied with the results. Obviously, I was eagerly waiting to see this beauty again in this year because I had upgraded my camera to Nikon P1000. That day, after finally spotting this species, I felt like it truly justified my camera upgrade. It spent ample time on the dried lake bed foraging continuously in front of us, even though it is extremely shy. To capture its striking appearance, you have to sit or lie down on the ground. Remember, if you stand, it will fly away. I'm happy to share it here.